In this video, let us learn introduction of class in Java. A class is declared using the class keyword followed by the class name and a body enclosed in a curly brace. In Java, a class serves as a fundamental building block of object-oriented programming. It acts as a blueprint or a template from which objects are created. A class is a template to create objects having similar properties and behavior. Or in other words, we can say that a class is a blueprint for object. A blueprint for a house. You can build many houses from the same blueprint. It means we can create n number of objects for the same class. A class can have variables, methods, and constructors. These are collectively called as members of the class. In order to access the members of the class, we should create an object. Object creation. Objects are instances of a class. They are created using the new keyword and the class constructor. So let us learn how to create a class and how to specify the members of the class and how to create an object. So we will open a IntelliJ. We can create a package class demo. So we can create a class called human. You should have a main method. And this is the first time compared to the part 1. This is compared to the basic Java. What are the basic Java we have learned? This is the first time we are specifying the programming lines outside of the main method. So we will specify string first name and int age. So what is the difference if we can specify the same variables within the main method and if the same variables if we can specify outside of the main method? If we can specify this variable within the main method, these two variables become a local variable to main method. These two can be accessible only within the main method only. If we can specify at a class level, these two variables are called as instance variables. So any instance variables or members we can't able to access directly within the static method. Our main is a static method. So any instance members we can't able to access directly inside the static method or static block directly. So in order to access, we should create an object. Suppose if we can directly access first name is equal to any name, Richard. Start gives compilation error. So we can't access instance variable directly within the main method because main is a static method. So in order to access the members of the class or instance members within the main method, we should create an object. So how to create an object? They are created using the new keyword and the class constructor. Currently our class does not have any constructor. It has only two variables, two instance variable. One is called first name and another one called age. Then where is the constructor now? So if a class does not have constructor, JVM provides default constructor. So by using the default constructor, we can create an object or an instance. So we can create an object by using class name human. O1 is equal to new. So O1 is a reference variable for the class called human. So you can call it as an object. New is a keyword, and we are using human with bracket. This indicates it is a default constructor. So this constructor is not at all available in a class, but for the creation of object purpose, the JVM is provides this particular default constructor. So even though the class does not have any constructor explicitly, if any constructor have not defined, so in order to create an object, we should require a constructor. So we can use default constructor. So by using constructor, by using object creation, based on the object, we can access first name is equal to, we can assign a value called Santosh, and O1 dot age, so you can assign age called 22. So once after assigning the value, we can try to print the value now. First name, O1 dot first name, again age, so O1 is the object, O1 dot age. So now if we can execute this one, so we can get the output as first name Santosh and age is 22. So this is the value, this is the output we can get. What are the value we have assigned into a instance variable, the same value only we can able to print it. So here one question has arisen. Can we create a multiple object for the same class? So here, a blueprint for a house. You can build many houses from the same blueprint, means class. It means we can create multiple objects for the same class. So there won't be any constraint. So you can create n number of objects. So we can create one more object, human. O2 is equal to new human of. It is a, by using, say, new is a operator, it allocates memory to a object, okay, based on the execution of default constructor. So by using O2 dot first name, you can take Srinivas, and O2 dot age you can take 28. So now we can print the value now. First name, O2 dot first name, age, O2 dot age. Now if we can print, we can segregate the output. Now if we can execute the corresponding output, we can able to display in the console. So here one observation, as soon as if we can create an object O1, whatever the members are available in a class, it takes a fresh copy of all the members. Again, as soon as if we can create a second object, again it takes a fresh copy of all the members. It takes one fresh copy. It means, say, O1, what are the O1 it contains? First name and age. It is its own copy, and again O2, first name and age. These two are its own copy. So in this way only, based on the object creation, so it takes copy of all the members of the class. Okay. In the next class, we will learn, can you specify multiple classes in a single source file? Thank you.